Gosh, it's really big. Look at that.
Hello guys, what's up? We're back with another video. This time it is another unboxing video because finally guys, the package that was sent to me by my client, this is the laptop, is finally here after ilang weeks then. It is finally here. So this laptop, I'm not sure what this is. I honestly don't have much details about it because it really came from the US. This is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna see it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm just gonna put this one here, hoping that you could still hear me. This. I'm like scared to even cut things here. Okay, there you go. Like, should I do it this way? I'm not sure if you could hear the background noise because my partner is singing, singing his lungs out. This is from the client that wanted to send me a MacBook, but I told her if she could just send me a regular a Windows laptop because I am not used to using a MacBook. I just don't have the patience to learn it. I don't know, but yeah, I asked her if it's possible for her to just send me a regular laptop instead of a MacBook, and she agreed. So the first thing that I saw is this charger. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is a big so this is a Dell laptop. This is Dell, right? So this is the charger. And okay, this is the laptop, guys. Go ahead and uy, it's up. Is it upside down? Okay, it's upside down. Wow, it is silver. Silver color. I don't know how big this is, but yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh, it's so sleek. Um, okay, how am I gonna open you? Seriously. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I hope it's not low bat or something. It's like this. This is how the laptop looks like, and I'm not sure if it's low bat or something, but it's not turning on yet. Maybe it's low bat, guys. So I am going to try to charge it. But yeah, this is how it looks like. And we'll be having another unboxing video for the monitor that she sent. She bought the monitor. It is brand new. She bought it for almost 13K. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's crazy. For a monitor, that's a big amount of money. But yeah, she doesn't care because she wants, you know, she wants me to use the best. So let me just put this one right here. And I am going to stop the video for a while and I will start another one because this is already 6 minutes video. I'll be back. So guys, this is the monitor. Oh my gosh, it's really big. Look at that. And this is a 27-inch monitor. And I'm not even sure if I am going to unbox it now because honestly, I don't have a space to put it into. Like my table right now is so full. And if I'm gonna unbox it now, then later when Zeph is here, it's gonna be scary because I don't know what he's gonna do. He already did something to our old TV that I am just so afraid what he's gonna do if he sees this one like unboxed. Oh yeah, I'm still not sure what to do right now. Should I just tell my client that I haven't opened on the monitor because I still don't have a place to put it into. I think that's the best way to go. But yeah, just so you could see, it's a Dell monitor as well. My gosh, it's too heavy and it's too big. Even if I don't have things on my table, I don't think, or maybe it would fit, but I don't have extra space anymore for anything else. And my table, guys, it composed of a lot of things. Like I have there my piggy banks, I have my notebooks, stationery, I have a lot of things on my table. So I need to clean that up. And at the same time, I need to decide, I need to think on as to where I would put this big monitor, the biggest that I have ever tried. It says here Dell 27 Plus 4K something. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Ugh. I am going to create another video when I am ready to unbox it. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it as is, just to keep it safe for now, you know?